Hey all my Renaissance men and women. Today we're just at XKOTE in Port Moody, British Columbia. We're going to do a video today. We're gonna try to get these scratches out of the Jeep Gladiator. Hopefully this is a permanent fix. We're going to show you around the vehicle here quick. One sec. As you can see, I had the Jeep Gladiator for about a year now, doing a lot of off-road and stuff. We are just covered in scratches right now. Pin stripes everywhere. Look at the doors. Just scratches galore. We're gonna go inside XKOTE here in a minute and talk to Mark, and we'll get him to go over the product and what it is and what it does. We're gonna take a few before and after photos. But just look, it's just, the paint's just annihilated. Okay, we're just here with Mark from XKOTE. We got the Gladiator in the shop. I just wanted Mark to maybe talk a little bit about XKOTE, the product, what it is, and how it works. Take it away, Mark.
So, XKOTE is a 2K or two component clear coat, just like the factory clear coat. The only difference is how it's applied. We actually apply it by hand. It's a wipe on, it self levels. But the cured, dried product is no different than what's sprayed on a body shop or the factory. So longevity is no different than factory paint. It's just a layer that we put on top to refresh it right back to brand new. So this is a diagram of what your paint looks like. So you've got metal, primer, the base coat, which is the color, and then the clear coat. And the clear coat takes most of the wear and tear, and we put another layer on top of that. So traditional buffing or paint correction, as they call it in the industry, involves taking down the clear coat. So you actually buff it down to the level of the scratch to remove the scratch. The scratch doesn't go away until you remove that much of the clear coat. We're actually adding about 10% more clear coat, refreshes that back to brand new and fills all those defects. So it's a much better repair. That's what we're gonna do to the Gladiator today.
Awesome. I gotta say, I'm still pretty skeptical. We showed a lot of footage of all the scratches, but I'm gonna leave it with Mark. And is it true that you guarantee this for life?
For life, you betcha.
Lifetime guarantee. So we're gonna leave the Gladiator with Mark. He's gonna do a couple of videos of the process as well, and we'll get back to you guys when we pick up the Gladiator. Hey everyone, we're back at XKOTE. It is Friday evening. We dropped the car off on Monday. We are back. It's been here all week. These guys are really taking their time and doing their best job on this car. I haven't seen the Jeep yet, so I'm very curious to what it looks like. We're gonna head in there now and take a look. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this baby looks like. Wow. Looks amazing, Mark.
I would say so.
You weren't lying when you said it was going to look better than it did on the showroom floor. Let's get some closer images here of the side. I don't even see any more scratches. That is very, very impressive. It's hard to get a good video because it's so damn shiny now. Let's just ask Mark here a quick question on, like, is this a permanent fix, or when I wash it, is this shine gonna go away?
No, so this is a true clear coat, just like the factory coating. So it's no different than a brand new car or a car that's been freshly repainted. So in 10 years, it will look fantastic if you take care of it.
Yeah.
Or it could look really bad in 10 minutes if you don't.
Yeah.
So it's no different than a brand new car.
Beautiful. It looks amazing. It looks like a brand new car. It looks like it's from the showroom floor again. You did an amazing job here. If you guys are interested, come on down to XKOTE in Port Moody, visit Mark, talk to Mark, he's the man here, and he'll set you guys up nicely. It doesn't have to be a bushwhacked vehicle. You can have a couple small scratches or something. These guys will take care of it.
We do all sorts of high-end stuff.
Yeah, he's got all kinds of high-end cars. So you can see the Bentley. What was that other car, like a little PT thing, Chevy? SSR.
Yeah.
He just did an SSR in here. He's got tons of experience, great guy. Thank you very much, Mark. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Cheers. Mark has also been kind enough to give you guys a free full glass ceramic coating valued at $225 with any complete XKOTE service. Use the promo code XJEEP. Promo code again is XJEEP. This offer is only valid at XKOTE Port Moody, British Columbia. The link for the XKOTE website will be in the description. Cheers for now.